Good morning, everyone. This is Vincent Martonigan here at beautiful MarineMax in Clearwater. And today I'm going to take you through the 2020 Sea Ray 350 SLX. This particular 350 SLX is powered by twin 350 Verado Mercuries, joystick piloting of course. Back here on the transom, you see you've got a beautiful rear-facing transom seat for your enjoyment at the sandbars. This does fold down to protect all the upholstery when you're not using it. Follow me into the cockpit. As you can see, we have gray sea deck throughout the boat, which is just a beautiful touch when it's paired with Sea Ray's new stone interior for 2020. This particular 350 SLX is optioned with our cockpit grill and refrigerator. Plenty of seating for all of your friends. Joystick piloting, twin Simrad touch screens with Naviop, which controls all of your lighting. And this one does have the beautiful blue LED lighting package. What's very different about the 2020 SLX 350s are the cabin. So this one is enough to actually sit 3 children to get out of the sun, out of the weather, or an adult can lay down there and take a quick cat nap. That's on the port side. Now on the starboard side, we have our very spacious head with flip-up step to make it easy to get in and out. Follow me to the bow. As with any luxury boat like the 350 SLX, you will have a windlass anchor, freshwater washdown, plenty of room up here to sit and lounge, flip down armrests, embroidered Sea Ray backrests. If you would like to hear more about this particular boat or any of our other inventory here at MarineMax in Clearwater, come on down, pay us a visit. We're on 19 North in Clearwater, and then you can reach us at www.marinemax.com 24 hours a day. You can give me a call on my cell phone, 803-760-0609, or if you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that bell. Thanks for joining me.